Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to the Swear Car Company. I'm Kyler Allred, and today we're looking at this absolutely stunning 2021 Genesis G80 3.5 turbo for sale out here in Tempe, Arizona. Honestly, such a beautiful car. We get 19 miles to the gallon in the city, as well as 27 miles to the gallon on the freeway. Honestly, such a beautiful car. It is just a longer version of the G70, so you're going to get that class, but a little more space back there, so it's honestly beautiful. We only have 14,302 miles on this thing. Honestly, such a stunning deal for these Genesis. I love them. Alrighty, we'll go ahead and pop open that back real quick. Wait, I gotta get the key real quick. This is embarrassing, but while I got you, I'll go ahead and tell you about the city sales tax. Here in Tempe, Arizona, we actually don't have those city sales tax, so you'll save an extra 2 to 3% when you come and purchase a car from us, which is always a great sign. But we do have that remote start, remote close, as well as buttons up here that close it, which is super nice, and just so much space back there. Oh, this thing is so classy. I love the way these cars look. We do have that keyless entry, as well as those beautiful aluminum alloy wheels. Oh my gosh, look at that paneling. We got wood accent marks, as well as that brown leather, and this thing looks so good. I love the luxury in this back seat, but we do have that rear climate control center down there, as well as these cup holders, which are super classy, and the seat warmer, sorry, can't talk today, and as well as plenty of space down in that, super deep, but there's always a plus side. Looks so good. I love the perforated leather. You can also control the distance, that back seat or that front seat seat position just from that button on the side. Wow, that front seat looks even better. Go ahead and hop into it and get started. Oh, look at that. Dang, I love the controls on this. It is so clean. Go ahead and turn up that AC, and it blows super cold right off the bat, especially in Arizona. That is super nice. But this is just a super classy car. You see how wide that infotainment screen is. We do have a sunroof up there that extends almost all the way to the back, which is super nice. The controls are up there. This thing looks beautiful. Honestly, such a steal of a deal. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Come check this beautiful car out. I don't think this will be on the lot for very long, so come look at this beautiful car. Again, we don't have that city sales tax, so you can save so much money when you come to LeSueur and purchase this car from us. We hope to see you soon, and have a good one.